it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. In this week's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry Italian shortcake. It was one of the best strawberry cakes I've ever had. I hope you will like it and I hope you'll try and make it too. If you like the video and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And tap that little bell, because that way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. I hope you're staying safe and well. Until next time, go break a leg. So the ingredients for our strawberry Italian shortcake: 100 grams of custard sugar. This is the zest of 1 lime. You can use lemon as well. 60 milliliters of milk. I have almond milk in here. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs. This is 100 milliliters of juice from 2 lemons, 50 milliliters of olive oil, 150 grams of self-rising flour, white flour, and I have here 300 grams of strawberries, which I've cut in little slices, and I've added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to it so they don't sink too much to the bottom of the cake. And we're just going to mix all our ingredients. Of course, we will start with the eggs and sugar. We're going to put it in for about 30 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on it. And when it starts to get golden, we take it out. So the cake has come out of the oven. It's nice and risen and golden. Smells delicious. I'm going to have it plain. I'm just going to decorate it with ice and sugar and more strawberries. You can also make like a little cream for it with strawberries and double cream. But yeah, I'm sure it'll taste absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.